Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to perform a cholesterol test on the Microlab 300. First of all, you have to switch on the Microlab 300 from the original power supply, and then you have to power on from the machine, which is a switch on it. After that, the machine is taking a small time to analyze and to check everything is okay in the machine, as the spectrophotometer and the bulbs and everything is in their best conditions or not. As the machine is taking time, let's prepare for the samples. I have placed the test tubes on the racks. First one is for the calibration, as I have to run the calibration, which tells the machine how to perform and what to do. And the next is I have to perform two standard as a sample to check whether my calibration is correct or not. The labeling is very important in the whole process, as I am running the 3 samples right now, and the labeling, if I misplace anything, if I mislabel anything, there will be a whole blunder in this process. First of all, I have placed, as I already told you, the calibration. The next two of standard, and then from the fourth is my sample 1, fifth. Now let's see what's in the kit. This is basically the spectrum kit of cholesterol liquezyme. It is the endpoint reaction, and what is in the kit is reagent, which is only a one reagent. It is in the 400 ml packing of 4 bottles, and with the standard and there is a standard in it. I am using the bottle which I am already using, because packing is very important, and if you are using one bottle, you have to use till it is end, then you have to move to the next. It is because you have to avoid the contamination. If you are using one bottle, then use it till end. Now I have come to the machine. I just put the measuring position, and then I am just choosing which parameter I have to measure, which is the cholesterol. I am just moving my upward arrow and choose the cholesterol. I put the enter button and then move toward the cholesterol. Basically, this is machine is requiring for the water blank. You just have to put the distilled water and push the button. There will be a red light, and then there will be a sound that it required enough water. Then there is a measuring water blank. As I already mix and incubate the samples for 5 minutes at 37 degrees C or 10 minutes at 15 to 25 degrees C, you can see there is a change in the color. As this is the endpoint method, the more the color, it means the more the cholesterol is present in the body. Now let's see what is happening right now. There is a cholesterol esters which are enzymatically hydrolyzed by cholesterol esterases to cholesterol and free fatty acids. Then the cholesterol combined with the oxygen. In the presence of CO, it converts into cholesterol 4EN31 plus H2O2, which is the 2H2O2 when combined with the phenol. On the presence of BOD, it converted into quinamine dye and 4H2O. As you see, the color changes. This is because the quinamine dye. The concentration of the dye or the concentration of the color is directly proportional to the concentration of the cholesterol present in the samples. Now I just have to put the samples in. As I put the water blank, first of all I run the calibration, and then I am running as standard as a sample to check the quality of my calibration, whether the calibration is correct or not. If the calibration is not correct, you have to recalibrate. As in my case, I have to recalibrate the instrument to assure the quality and to assure the quality of my test, and to tell everybody that the samples I am running is 100% correct. As you see, there is on standard already mentioned that the standard, if run as a samples, it will be 200 milligram per deciliter. If the samples showing when I put the standard as a samples, if it is showing that 201, it will be considered like we can consider it. If it is 205, 204, it will be not considered. As you see, my standard run as 229, which is not acceptable. Now I have to recalibrate to in the instrument. Then I have to put the sample again. After the recalibration, the standard is showing 208, which is also not acceptable. Now I have to recalibrate the instrument again. After the recalibration, now I am going to put the sample. It will take a very short time, as I just put the sample, and the result is 162, which is acceptable.